Society has a problem. Coronavirus. Governments don't know what to do or how to stop the virus. They could be harsh, like in China, but people don't really like that. They could do nothing at all, and still, people don't like it.
America will reopen! Texas is leading the way!
Or they could do something in between. Here at DeepMind, we have the solution: artificial intelligence. Introducing Alpha Omega. Humans are flawed. Government policy isn't working. Over 1 million people have died in the last 10 months from coronavirus. The limiting factor? Humans. So why not get rid of the weakest link and let a machine decide? But how does it work? Alpha Omega uses game theory to make the best possible decision that will maximize health outcomes whilst minimizing economic catastrophe and societal upheaval. It does this by collecting data from government sources and scraping the internet to know community sentiment. It's based on our previous AI, AlphaGo Zero. Let my colleague better explain.
The most important idea in AlphaGo Zero is that it learns completely tabula rasa. That means it starts completely from a blank slate and figures out for itself only from self-play. If you can achieve tabula rasa learning, you really have an agent that can be transplanted from the game of Go to any other domain. You untie yourself from the specifics of the domain you're in and you come up with an algorithm which is so general that it can be applied anywhere.
And apply it we did. There are competitors in the space, but they're not as good as our AI.
More than 1,000 different scenarios have been put into this supercomputer. You can't argue with this sort of data.
In fact, we are. Our analysis shows that there would have been a reduction of 95% in negative sentiment if Dan Andrews had used our AI instead of, well, if you're a government that cannot control the spread of this virus and cannot control the sentiment of its citizens, then let Alpha Omega decide for you. It will tell you what to do, when to implement it, and how to get it done. It doesn't really matter if you don't fully understand why. All you need to know is that it works. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. But wait, there's more. At DeepMind, we realize that governments like Taiwan may be accepting of a machine telling them what to do, but other governments may not be. This is why we're incorporating a new feature that we like to call figurehead diplomacy. Your citizens don't have to know that a machine is calling the shots. Instead, they can trust their leader. Yep. Computer says no, you're locked down! Alpha Omega. We are the be all and end all. Inquire today.